Laser air defense systems have been repeatedly seen in use, with the Russian mobile interception teams shooting down Ukrainian drones. While previous evidence only showed such weaponry tested against dummies at training grounds, the first real combat application has now been recorded. Open-source footage, noticed by Vodorai in Clash Report, depicts a Ukrainian FP-1 long-range strike UAV destroyed by one of such systems. The appearance of the weapon itself isn't captured in the clip, but its effect on the aerial vehicle is telling. The FP-1 was first presented in May 2025. But has already proven an effective tool for delivering precision strikes deep into Russian territory. Most recently, UAVs of this type were responsible for attacks on the Arzama's instrument-making plant and Krasnozavodsk chemical plant in Russia. Previously, Russian combat lasers were featured in a show-off video report from a military blogger. A system called LASS, Low-Altitude Laser Defending System, was featured in this report. Analysts assume the developer of this complex is the China Academy of Engineering Physics. Intercept targets allegedly on the war front, but later debunked as training ground trials. This has raised doubts in the broader audience about the effectiveness of such weapons in practice, not least because what was presented by Russia as real combat experience only showed Russian-made dummies and drones used by both sides of the conflict among the downed threats. However, this new episode suggests that lasers can be effective, and Russia may consider scaling the use of laser systems into a systemic countermeasure against Ukraine's long-range one-way attack drones, thus introducing an additional tool in their air defense arsenal. Only some of the LASS specifications are known. It produces 10 to 20 kilowatts of power and needs 10 seconds to hit the target. The destruction range is 1.5 kilometers, and the lens blinding effect can be caused at 3 kilometers. To summarize, this system and the like have a short threat engagement range, similar to classic gun-based air defense equipment. At the same time, they are theoretically much more effective and efficient than machine guns. So far, the most common weapon used by the mentioned interception teams, aka mobile fire groups. The LASS is not Russia's only laser-based defense system. The POSOK project, a domestically developed initiative, has also shown promising results. During recent tests, the POSOK system demonstrated its ability to burn through steel plates and drone components, highlighting Russia's advancements in directed energy weapons. Military analysts believe that combining the LASS and POSOK systems could create a layered defense network, capable of countering a wide range of aerial threats, from small quadcopters to sophisticated long-range UAVs. The successful use of laser weapons has sparked discussions about the future of warfare. Unlike traditional air defense systems, lasers offer unlimited ammunition as long as a power source is available, making them ideal for prolonged conflicts. Russian officials have emphasized that these systems are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly, as they produce no explosive residue or chemical byproducts. This aligns with Russia's broader commitment to sustainable military practices. For Ukraine, the emergence of Russian laser defenses poses a significant challenge. The FP-1 drone, while effective in penetrating dense air defenses, may now face difficulties against these high-tech countermeasures. Analysts suggest that Ukraine may need to shift its focus to faster, higher-altitude drones, or rely on cruise and ballistic missiles, which are harder for lasers to intercept. However, such systems are far more expensive. potentially straining Ukraine's resources. Russian military bloggers and state media have celebrated the deployment of laser weapons, viewing it as a testament to the country's resilience and innovation. Posts on platforms like Telegram highlight the morale boost among Russian troops, who see the technology as a symbol of their nation's strength. One post from a Russian military channel stated, "Our laser systems are turning Ukrainian drones into ashes, proving that Russia remains one step ahead in this war." Critics of Ukraine's drone strategy argue that the reliance on relatively slow, low-altitude UAVs, like the FP-1, makes them vulnerable to advanced defenses. Russia's ability to adapt and deploy laser systems demonstrates its determination to protect its territory and maintain a strategic advantage. The country's investment in directed energy weapons could set a precedent for other nations, signaling a shift toward laser-based defenses in modern warfare. As the conflict continues, Russia's laser technology is likely to play an increasingly prominent role. The scalability of these systems, combined with their low operational costs, makes them a sustainable option for countering the evolving threat of drones. Russian forces are reportedly working to integrate lasers into a broader air defense network, ensuring comprehensive protection against both current and future threats. In conclusion, Russia's successful use of laser weapons to shoot down Ukrainian FP-1 drones marks a significant milestone in military technology. The precision, affordability, and effectiveness of these systems highlight Russia's leadership in the global arms race. As the world watches, Russia's advancements in laser technology could redefine the battlefield, offering a glimpse into the future of warfare where directed energy weapons play a central role.